Okay, one more. Okay. Turn your back. Okay. Okay, one side turn. Turn.
So you just having
Just stay here.
Don't bring it right. Yeah, just bring it right.
Take a deep breath. Down. Now.
It is $125 charge.
How are you feeling now?
And there's huge, there's a lengthy value for his appointment. I've seen it. He has
Go on,
millions
go on.
of viewers. He wished to take it.